Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this delicious Neapolitan cake. Layers of flavour. Start by crushing up 150 grams of Oreos using a rolling pin. Pour into a mixing bowl and then add 120 grams of melted butter. Mix that all together and pop it into a lined cake tin, pressing it down to cover the base. Chill for 1 hour and meanwhile heat 90 grams of sugar with 150 millilitres of sweetened condensed milk and 100 millilitres of ordinary milk. Mix until melted and then add in 120 grams of blooming gelatin. Once that's ready, you can remove it from the heat. Add 400 grams of cream cheese to a blender and then pour in that mixture. Blend it together. Next, add 300 millilitres of whipping cream to a mixing bowl and give it a good whisk. Then pour in your blended mixture. Once it's all combined, you can separate it into 3 equal portions. To one portion, add 100 millilitres of chocolate sauce, to another 100 millilitres of strawberry sauce, and to the third 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give those all a good mix. And then start layering up your cake, starting with the chocolate mixture. Freeze that for 15 to 20 minutes and then add on the strawberry layer. Freeze again, and then finally add the vanilla layer. And freeze for 2 hours. Once ready, you can decorate with halved strawberries around the edge. And there you have it, Neapolitan cake. What more could you ask for? Slice and enjoy.